Good day, Chairman and members of the board. My name is Joy Wright, and I'm a member of the leadership team. Thank you for the opportunity to present today. I would also like to welcome Professor Davis and thank her for her time and consideration. Today's presentation examines organizational design, structure, and culture through a case analysis of Parker Hannifin using Fortune's Most Admired framework. I will discuss a key organizational challenge, its ramifications, and how leadership can apply conscious capitalism and Kotler's 8-step challenge model to improve long-term organizational effectiveness, collaboration, and asset stewardship. A brief history of Parker Hannifin Corporation is Parker Hannifin was founded in 1917 by Arthur L. Parker and originally focused on pneumatic braking control systems. Over time, the company evolved into a global leader in motion and control technology serving industrial aerospace manufacturing markets worldwide. Parker Hannifin operates through a decentralized organizational structure, employing approximately 60,000 employees and maintaining operations in over 45 countries with a focus on engineering excellence and long-term stakeholder commitment. In essence, Parker Hannifin is a global leader in motion and control technologies, known for its engineering excellence, decentralized structure, and long-term commitment to customers and employees. The most admired 8 dimensions are innovations, quality management, long-term investment value, social responsibility, people management, quality of products and services, and financial soundness, responsible use of corporate assets. Underperforming dimensions, an issue description from a leadership perspective is during a period of strategic transition, Parker Hannifin faced challenges in effectively aligning its assets utilization with changing operational realities, specifically the shift from a vertically integrated manufacturing model to increased outsourcing combined with operating within a highly regulated environment of Modesto, California, created unintended cost, compliance, and operational pressures. While the strategy was intended to enhance efficiency and flexibility, execution complexity limited the anticipated benefits, directly relating to the wise use of corporate assets dimension and why this is a problem. The strategic cost assumptions did not materialize. Regulatory complexity increased asset risk, structural alignment within the filtration group. Ramifications and consequences. Consequences if the dimension is not improved, erosion of industrial knowledge, increased risk during future change initiatives, cultural and trust implications. Current organizational structure. Decentralized organizational structure support autonomy and innovations. Structural shifts increase complexity during outsourcing transitions. Organizational structure emphasize engineering excellence and efficiency. Change execution revealed gaps between strategy and culture and structure. Struggling dimensions. Culture reinforced performance, efficiency, and engineering rigor. Structured decisions influenced employee experience during change. Cultural strength did not always translate to change readiness or the measurements of the employee psychological toll. Alignments gaps service during large-scale transitions. Organizational culture. Organization design shaped decision-making authority. Decentralized support speed was increased variability. Change readiness depend on local leadership capability. Design complexity amplified during large-scale transitions. Because Parker Hannifin's decentralized organizational design granted divisions significant autonomy, enabling the responsiveness and innovation while reinforcing accountability at the local level. This was a culture of inclusion and quality. Conscious capitalism, emphasis on long-term creation, stakeholder orientation, leadership philosophy, commitment to customers, employees, and communities. Ethical decision-making during organizational change. 8-step process for leading change. Establish urgency around asset stewardship. Build a cross-divisional grounding coalition. Develop a people-centered change vision. Communicate the vision consistently. Empower divisions to act on the vision. Generate short-term operational wins. sustain momentum through alignment, and anchor improved practices into the culture. Potential changes. Challenge 1, resistance to change within the decentralized divisions. Challenge 2, misalignment between systems, initiatives, and strategy. Challenge 3, leadership capability gaps during transformation. Challenge 4, subsystem realignment to support sustainable change. Lessons learned. Align structure, culture, and leadership behavior. Balance performance with empathy during change. Engage stakeholders early and consistency. Design systems that reinforce desired behavior. Questions? Thank you, Professor Davis, for your time and consideration. Furthermore, I would welcome any questions and would be happy to provide further clarification or discussion as needed. Thank you again. My name is Joy Wright. I'm a member of the leadership team.